Now you can see some more numericals on isothermal and adiabatic process. It's clear. This is chapter 20. The date is 30. Now chapter number 20. Question number 14. All of you see here. Question number 14. 0.5 mole CO2 is heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. 0.5 mole. It's clear. And it is heated from what to what? 25 to 125. Means what will be the delta T? It will be 125 minus 25. That is equals to 100 degrees Celsius. Cv equals to 6 calorie per mole per degree Celsius. And Cp equals to here, this is 8 calorie per mole per degree Celsius. Per degree Celsius. You have to find amount of heat given to the gas and increase in internal energy. Means how much amount of heat has been given to the gas and what is the increase in internal energy. So see here, as you know that heat which is required only for heating of the gas. Heat which is required only for heating of the gas, it is dq equals to mu into Cv into dT. Heat which is required only for heating. It's clear? That will be equal to the heat which is supplied at the constant volume. That will be dq equals to mu into Cv into dT. What will be the total heat supplied? Total heat supplied means which is required for heating as well as keeping the pressure constant by expanding the gas. That will be mu into Cp into dT. And internal energy, increase in internal energy will be delta U equals to how much? It will be equal to how much? What will be increase in internal energy? The heat which is required to reach the temperature. It's clear? So see here, first you find out this, what you can say, total heat required. Here first part is amount of heat given to the gas. So amount of heat given to the gas given to gas, that will be equal to mu into Cv into dT. That is equals to mu is what? 0.5, Cv is 6 and dT is how much? 100. So it will be equal to 300. Answer will come out in calorie. 300 calorie. It's clear? This is the heat. You see here, this is the total amount of heat. Total amount of heat will be mu into Cp into dT. Mu into Cp into dT. That is equals to 400 calorie. It's clear? Now see here, the next part is, what is next part? It is the increase in internal energy. So see here, first you find out the heat which is required only for heating. Only for heating. It's clear? So that will be equal to heat which is supplied at constant temperature, volume. जो heat हम constant volume पर supply करेंगे, that will be used up only for increasing the temperature. Only for heating of the gas. There will be no work done. क्यों? क्योंकि volume क्या है? Zero है. Change in volume क्या है? Zero. So see here, heat required for heating at constant volume. So that will be equal to how much? Mu into Cv into dt. That is mu equals to how much? 0.5. Cv is 6, dt 100. So it will be equal to 300 calorie. It's clear. Now you have to find the, what is the second part? You have to find the increase in internal energy. What will be the increase in internal energy? बताओ. Who can tell? Increase in internal energy. Internal energy increases because of what? Because of rise in temperature. It's clear. Rise in temperature किस हीट के कारण होगा? इस 300 कैलोरी के कारण. क्यों? क्योंकि ये केवल किसके लिए यूज कंज्यूम हो रही है? हीटिंग. ये क्या है? दिस इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ हीट which is consuming for two things, one for heating and other for doing the work, it's clear. So what will be internal energy? Increase in internal energy, वो हमने पहले भी बताया था. internal energy that will be equal to delta U equals to 300 calorie. Now what will be the heat required for doing the work? How much heat will be required for doing the work? पता है 100 calorie. 400 minus 300. 400 is the total heat required. Now total heat required will be heat required for heating plus heat required for doing the work. Heat required for heating is 300 calorie. So for doing the work, 400 minus 300. In this question, that third part has not been asked, but in the next question it has been asked. So you can see here, see the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में तीनों पार्ट पूछे गए. मतलब अगर यहाँ पर ये पूछा जाता व्हाट इज द हीट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर डूइंग द वर्क, मींस दिस माइनस दिस. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर. तो सब लोग एक चीज दिमाग में रखें, जो हीट केवल हीटिंग पर्पज के लिए जाएगी वो क्या होगी? विल चेंज द internal energy by that much amount. And what will be the total heat required? It will be that which is supplied at constant pressure. Now question 15. 0.1 mole of nitrogen, mu equals to 0.1 mole. Question is heated from 27 to 327, means delta T will be 327 minus 27, that is equals to 300 kg at constant pressure. Determine the heat given to the gas. अगर ये दिया है Cp equals to 7 and Cv equals to 5. This is calorie per mole per degree Celsius. So you have to determine heat given to the gas, increase in internal energy, work done by the gas. What will be the heat given to the gas? Yes, Riparna. Heat given to the gas. Riparna. अभी बताया है, तुम लोग बता रही किस बारे में? Heat given to the gas means total heat given to the gas, and total heat given to the gas, Sanika, mu into Cp into dt, mu into Cp into dt, or delta T. To calculate, mu is 0.1, Cp is 7, delta T is how much? 300. So it will be 210 calories. The second part is what? Increase in internal energy. increase in internal energy. What will be the increase in internal energy here? Who can tell? It will be equal to mu into Cv into dt. Mu into Cv into dt or delta T, anything you can write. So mu is how much? 0.1. Cv is 5, delta T 300. So it will be equal to 150 calorie. So what will be the work done? 210 minus, that is equals to 60 calorie. Heat required for work done. This is heat required for work done. But अगर work done निकालना होगा, then we will convert it into joule. इसलिए ये तो हमने यूज निकाला क्या है? Heat required for work done. But if you have to calculate work done, then you will find out in joule. It's clear? So now you can see one more question here. Question number 10. Have you noted? Now, one question of this type already I have told. You can see here a gas whose initial temperature is 27. T1 equals to 27 degrees Celsius. Is compressed adiabatically to 8 times of its initial pressure. Means its pressure is changed adiabatically from P say 8P. From P say 8P. It's clear? Find the gamma is given 1.5. And you have to find the rise in temperature in this. Means rise in temperature, that is final temperature minus initial. So first you find out the T2. You find out T2. So you know that there are 3 equations for the adiabatic process. This is here which 2 variables are involved in T and P. So अगर T और P इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं तो कौन सा यूज करेंगे? जो इक्वेशन ऑफ स्टेट T और P में होगी. क्या है? फॉर एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस, एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस T to the power gamma upon P to the power equals to constant. Suppose 2 variables which are involved in the adiabatic change are P and V. तो हम कौन सी यूज करेंगे? PV to the power gamma equals to constant. Suppose the variables which are involved are V and T. Then we will use which one? TV to the power gamma minus 1. TV to the power gamma minus 1 क्या होगा? It is TV to the power gamma minus 1 equals to constant. But here we will use this, which is in P and T. So now you substitute the value. T1 to the power gamma, therefore T1 to the power gamma upon T1 to the power gamma minus 1 equals to T2 to the power gamma upon P2 to the power gamma minus 1. Substitute the value. What is T1? T1 in 27 degrees Celsius, that is equals to 300. T1 to the power gamma, that is 300. Gamma की वैल्यू बाद में रखेंगे. This upon P1 is what? P. P to the power gamma minus 1 equals to T2 you have to find. P2 is how much? 8P whole to the power gamma minus 1. Now what will happen? You can see in denominator p की power gamma minus 1, p की power gamma minus 1 will be cancelled. It's clear? On cancelling p to the power gamma minus 1, so this will be 300 to the power gamma upon 1 equals to p2 to the power gamma upon 8 to the power gamma minus 1. Now you substitute the value of gamma. Gamma is how much? 1.5. So this is 300 whole to the power 1.5. It's clear? 300 whole to the power 1.5 equals to T2, or you first don't substitute gamma here, equals to T2 to the power gamma, and here 8 you can write 2 to the power 3. Gamma minus 1, 1.5 minus 1. It's clear? इसको नोट कर लो जो हम बता रहे हैं. What will you get? 300 whole to the power gamma is how much? 1.5. You reach this 1.5 equals to T2 to the power gamma. T2 to the power gamma means T2 to the power 1.5. Now if you simplify here, 1.5 minus 1 is how much? 0.5. 0.5 into 3 means 0.5 into 3 means 1.5. Means 2 to the power 1.5. Now you can see here everywhere power is 1.5. So you can remove the power. 300 equals to T2 upon, so T2 equals to 600 kg. So in degree Celsius it will be 600 minus 273. That is 327 degree Celsius. Question number 11. Question number 11. 2 moles of oxygen, mu equals to 2 moles, at 0 degree Celsius are compressed until the volume remains 1/4 of the initial value. We say V by 4 the compressed. It's clear? At the same temperature, T is constant. Here T is constant. Calculate the work done. R equals to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Now see here, 2 moles of oxygen at 0 degree Celsius are compressed until the volume remains 1/4 to initial value at the same temperature. Calculate the work done. Now see here, here work will be done on the gas or by the gas. It will be on the gas, on the system, because it is compressing. Therefore this work will be positive or negative? It will be negative. Now here temperature is constant. Temperature is constant, so what will be delta U? 0. Delta U will be 0 means W will be equal to what? From first law of thermodynamics, Q minus W equals to delta U. Delta U is 0. It is clear? So what will be W? W will be equal to W equals to Q. It is clear? It will be equal to Q के बराबर होगा. अब देख लो, हम तो ऐसे ही वर्क डन का उनको डायरेक्ट फार्मूला मालूम है. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? इट इज W इक्वल्स टू 2.303 mu R T. Then log to the base 10, it is V1 upon V2. यही है ना, इनिशियल माइनस अपॉन फाइनल है. V1 upon V2, you can see here. It is V1 upon V2 or V2 upon V1? It is V2 upon V1. V2 upon V1. So you substitute here. Here it will be 2.303. Mu is how much? 2. R is V1. Delta T, there no only T here. T is how much? 273. 0 degree Celsius it is given means how much? 273 will be. It is T. And log, this will be V2 upon V1, that is V2 is V upon 4, V1 is V. This is the base 10. So you simplify this 2.303 into 2 into 8.31 into 273 divide into log 1 by 4 to the base 10. You can calculate. It's clear. Answer will come in joule because R is in joule per mole per Kelvin. So that will come out. You can do by calculator. So it will be minus 62902. 62902. And why it will be minus? Because log upon log 1 by 4, it will come out negative. So now all of you see question number 13. One mole of oxygen at NTP. NTP means what is the temperature? 273 Kelvin. P is 1 atmospheric pressure. What is the new temperature and work done? If it is compressed adiabatically to 5 atmospheres, means P1 is 1 atmosphere क्योंकि इनिशियली किस पर है? NTP पर. NTP पर T and P is this. And finally it is compressed adiabatically to 5 atmospheres. What is the new temperature and work done? Gamma equals to 1.4. It's clear. And R equals to 8.31 in SI unit. So you have to find the what is the new temperature, it's clear, and then work done. So see here, how will you find new temperature? So here two variables are given, T and P, so you will use the same equation, T to the power gamma for adiabatic process. What is T to the power gamma upon P to the power gamma minus 1? This is the relation. So you substitute, you will get this type of question I have done already. So it is 273 to the power gamma, initially कितना था? P to the power gamma minus 1. Finally it is what? T2 to the power gamma upon 5P to the power gamma minus 1. P to the power gamma minus 1 will be cancelled. यहाँ भी है denominator और यहाँ भी है denominator. So that will be cancelled. So 273 to the power 1.4 divided by 1 equals to T2 की power 1.4 and it is 5 to the power, you can see here, 1.4 minus 1, you can write. So on simplifying, it is 273 whole to the power 1.4 equals to T2 power 1.4. and in denominator it is 5 की power 0.4. How will you find T2? T2 की power 1.4 equals to 273 whole to the power 1.4 into 5 की power 0.4. हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? T2. T2 फाइंड आउट करना मतलब T2 से क्या करना है? पावर को हटाना है. पावर हटाएंगे कैसे? जब एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ पावर ले जाते हैं क्या हो जाता है? पावर का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. पावर का रेसिप्रोकल, दैट इज T2 विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? ये 1/1.4 पावर इधर आ जाएगी और सभी पावर से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. सो इट विल बिकम 273 एंड इट विल बिकम 5 की पावर 0.4 अपॉन, so 273 into 5 to the power how much? 2 upon 3. This way you can calculate the final temperature, and after calculating final temperature what will be the work done? It will be mu r, this is T1 minus T2, T2 minus T1 divided by how much? हमको नहीं याद है, तुम लोग लिख लेना, कर लेना ना. What is the formula? Mu r T2 minus T1, T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. T1 minus T2, this is gamma minus 1. So substitute this, you got T1, T2 you have found. It's clear?